today I'm here searching for the bird that represents peace, love, and innocence. The picture of this bird is present in many flags, which symbolizes peace. This splendid bird, because of its unique characteristics, was used by Napoleon and Genghis Khan to send messages during battles. It is a smaller form of a pigeon, which is found in abundance in Jharkhand and Southeast Asia. There is a popular and expensive soap named after this bird. I'm sure now you've understood about which bird I'm talking about. It's dove, a smaller form of a pigeon and a bird that holds great historical importance. Let's find the spotted dove now, which is a native of the Indian Subcontinent. See there, across the river, I think I can see two doves sitting on that bamboo tree. See, there they are. They look very healthy, strong and powerful. Who knows, they might be descendants of the doves that were used by Ashoka the Great or Chandraguptah Maurya during battles. These magnificent birds generally live in urban and semi-urban areas in couples. The longest flight taken by a pigeon was 11,000 kilometers in 55 days to reach home from South Africa to England. How they find their directions is highly debated. Hear the sound that it's making. It is more or less similar to the sound that the pigeon makes. Look there is another dove sitting on a tree. These doves are actually called mountain doves or spotted doves. A pigeon can fly at a maximum speed of 150 kilometers per hour and can reach a height of 1.8 kilometers. So it is very difficult to shoot them while they are flying. Next time, when you see a dove in your house, don't think it's a normal bird because it has contributed a lot in history. Thank you. Bye from Pravya. Catch you in the next video.